Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS, model 17MKE. Single slide out, two 20-pound LP tanks on the front, power tongue jack with a light, full pass-through storage. You do have a docking station inside with your cable, battery disconnect, water hookup. You also prepped for solar. You have magnetic latches for the compartment doors. You have a dry weight of 4,620 pounds. Sewer hookup, your black tank flush. Storage in your bumper. Rear ladder, the backup camera prep. This is a 30 amp service. You also have a spray port on the door side. So you have one on the opposite side with the outside shower and one here. Dual axle. Clean aluminum entry steps. The other side of your pass-through storage. Full length power awning. You do have outside speakers. 3-year structural warranty. Entering into the Imagine 17MKE. You have linoleum throughout. Theater seating with the table built in. It is removable. And then you have a regular sofa that reclines. You have the cup holder dividers in the middle. You have heat, massage, and LED lights. Looking through the rest of the camper, you have plenty of storage, drawers and underneath. Your TV area. Motion sensor lighting throughout, one on the inside and two in the pass-through storage. Stainless steel sink. There's your flush mount cover. Same with the oven. Your flush cover with the oven with LED lights on the front. Lots of drawer storage. Your slide and awning controls are all in a very convenient location. You also have a stereo inside. More overhead storage. Refrigerator, freezer. You do have a solid pocket door separating the bathroom from the kitchen. Nautilus screen door gives you nice security for water flying out, getting the floor wet. Plenty of room in that shower. Lots of storage down low under the sink. And overhead, you do have an exhaust fan and an overhead skylight in the bathroom. Looking at the bed, you have two large drawers underneath. Acts as your wardrobe area. You have a large drawer on the side of the bed. Plenty of overhead storage. One AC unit. Queen bed. You do have 110 receptacles. USB plugs. Blackout shades. This brand new 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS, the 17MKE, located in Yorktown, Virginia at Dodd RV. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person. 757-833-3633. Thanks. Have a good day.